Okay, so we'll continue the chapter 21, agreement of the verb with the subject. So we studied 12 rules. Now I'll be starting from the 13th rule. So this rule says that the following words are always plural: pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongues. Shears are what? Shears are actually cutting instrument which has two blades. It is used for cutting something, okay? So, however, if the word pair is used, the verb is singular. Now, here you can see that pants. Why do we say pants? Because it has two parts. Same scissors, scissors has two parts. You can see two blades of scissors. So, we never say scissors. We say a pair of scissors or the pair of scissors. Okay. So, the pants are torn into two, right? But if the word pair is used here, then we will use singular verb. So here what are we using? The pair of scissors was placed on the table. So this is how we use with pairing words. Okay. Now comes your rule number 14. Now certain nouns, though plural in form, are singular in meaning and therefore they take singular verbs. How it is so? Like you must have read that we never say mathematics. We always call it mathematics and news. So they both are in plural form and singular in meaning. Okay. So therefore they will also take what? Singular verb. You can see is and is used. So mathematics is my favorite subject. The latest news is alarming to the public. So this way we use is with these words. Okay. Now is use of a and the. When we are seeing that the sentence is starting with a or the, which verb we will use. So when the word is preceded by a, preceded means which comes before in order or in position, it takes a plural verb. When it is preceded by the, it takes a singular verb. How? See. Now understand the difference between the two. It is saying a number of students are waiting outside. So a number of students, it is plural here, starting with A. So we have taken R here, right? Same thing, the number of students outside is not recorded yet. So when you are using a, we are using R here. Excuse me. When you are using the, you are using is here, right? Now, next is rule number 60. Now, when fractions are used, the verb agrees with the object of the phrase. Fractions you can see, like in maths you have studied, no? 1/2, 1/4, these are called fractions. Yes or no? Give me a thumb up fast. Fractions everybody knows? Give me thumb up fast if you know fractions. Yes. So it is the verb will agree with the object of the phrase. Now, phrase I told you incomplete set of words. Okay. Now, 1/2 of the cake. So this is the object and cake is singular. So we have used was here. Here, 1/4 of the employees. This is the phrase. This is the phrase. And here employees is in plural. So we are using were here. So your sentence is becoming 1/2 of the cake was consumed. 1/4 of the employees were attending the seminar. Am I clear? Now we'll move to next rule. Now, these nouns may be singular or plural in meaning, like athletics, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. When the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular. When the noun refers to the activity of individuals within a group or to varied activities, it is plural. Now, again, same thing to understand. This is noun, gymnastics. Here also noun is used. Here also noun is used. But why are we using is here and why are we using were here? See, the first sentence is saying gymnastics is very popular among girls. So here it is what? It is an organized activity. It is the name of an activity, right? But here gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding. Here it is like the activity of individual. All the students or all the participants are showing their performance here. That's why we are using is here and were here. Am I clear? Now, the name of a country is always regarded as singular. Whenever you are talking about a country, you will always say use is. Okay. The Bahamas has beautiful beaches. Philippines is a wondrous place. We never say Bahamas are beautiful, have beautiful beaches. No, it is singular. Rule number 19, adjectives used as nouns are considered plural. Whenever you are using adjectives in a sentence, they will be plural. Like the poor are to be helped, the efficient are what this country needs. So this is considered as plural, right? Next, collective nouns may be singular or plural depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. Same rule which we studied right now, that gymnastics one. Okay. Molly, please don't play with your pencil. It is English class. Okay. Now see, these nouns are what? They are all collective nouns. Company, group, committee, jury, crowd, flock and team. Now difference between the two is like the committee, a group of members. Committee is a group of members who take some decision for any issues. Okay. So the committee is against the plan. Acting collectively means the whole committee. Okay. It is singular. One committee is acting against the plan or it is against the plan, right? The committee are of different opinion. So from this word different only we can understand that there are many committees. Okay? Because here it is single and here it is plural in number. So they are of different opinion. Here they are acting plural. Individually they are plural. Okay, this is the difference. The committee is against the plan, one committee. The committee are of different opinions, means different committees are given their different views. Coming to 21. In the use of mathematical expressions, the following are accepted. When we talk in maths, we can say 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. And 5 times 2 are 10. So in mathematics, you can use these expressions, right? Next rule. Names, titles of books, plays, articles, movies, etc. are regarded as singular, even though words in the title may be plural. Now, when we read books or when we read novels, they have some titles. Now, the point is saying if it is in plural, then also we regard it as singular verb. We take it as, we will use singular verb with it. Like, this is the name of the story. In dreams began responsibilities. So you can see dreams and responsibilities both are in plural, but we have used is because the rule is saying that if the title of the book or play or article or movies is in plural, it is regarded as singular. So in dreams begin responsibilities is a story by D. Chavards. Okay, same. Great Expectations is a must-read novel. Again, this is in plural, but because the rule is saying that whether it is in, if it is in plural, then also we consider it as singular and we take singular noun with it. Okay. Next comes the point or rule number 23. That is, names of organizations take a singular verb when the whole organization is referred to and a plural verb when the members are referred to. Again, suppose I am talking about this organization, Lopez and Sons. So this is the name of one organization. So we are using what is here? Lopez and Sons is a successful organization. But when we are talking individually about the members, like here, Lopez and Sons are holding a 2-day annual meeting. So here we are talking about two individual members, Lopez and Sons. And this is here, they have named their organization as Lopez and Sons. So this is singular, whereas here two members are holding a 2-day annual meeting. So we have used the verb are here. Now, last point is, if a sentence begins with the expletive it. Now, what is expletive? It is like a word or a phrase serving to fill out a sentence or line of poem. So if a sentence begins with expletive it, or you can say if it is starting with it, the verb is always singular, even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. How you can understand? See, the sentence starting with it. Here you can see schools plural. Here you can see us plurals, but we are using is at both the places. It is the schools which must assume the responsibility. It is us who must take care of the environment. So if you are using it expletive it, then we will use singular verb if whether though it is the subject followed is plural in the sentence. Okay. So this is all about your subject verb agreement. Now we'll be just doing the exercise. Okay. So answers you will be giving me. So everybody just open page number 83 in your book. I'll just stop sharing my screen here. And now I'll take one by one. Okay. Page number 83. Okay, so I'll just start with the book work.